In chapter number 4, carbon and its compounds, let's go through another theory. What is structural isomers? What is structural isomer? Give its examples or explain it with examples. Let's write about first structural isomers. Compounds have same molecular formula but they are different in structural formula are called as structural isomers. Let's repeat it. Compounds have same molecular formula but different in structures. In structural formula are known as structural isomers. Let's give the example of structural isomers with butane, pentane and hexane. Let's see one by one. First we start with isomers of butane. So in case of butane, we already know the formula of butane, C4H8. We know the formula of butane. Carbon have 4, hydrogen have 6, C4H8. So the isomers of butane first is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, 8, 10. Here write 10. C4H10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we write it with CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Here we write one step ahead to give branch for hydrogen. Not write directly because in sometimes there will be chances of mistake in the directly structured. So we write it with first branch and then we give it structure. So we give name it N-butane. Here N means normal butane. So it will be represented by small n. Then the second, this will be first. When we give the name for second, we have the CH3, CH. Here we see in the case of second number of carbon, we add the one branch, we add the one group. We write also here CH3CH. In second number of carbon we add CH3 methyl group, so we called it isobutane. If branch structure will be seen, it will be iso, it simple straight chain will be seen, it will be known as normal. So isomers of butane will be 2, normal butane and isobutane. Let's go ahead and write with the pentane. Isomers of pentane. Formula for butane is C4H10, so pentane is C5H12. Carbon will be increased in 1 number and hydrogen will be increased in 2 number. So let's go the first. First we start with the normal pentane, so we write the structure for it. C5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we add hydrogen. One, 2, 3. So we write it CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Name for it normal pentane. It will be first. In case of second, we write with the isopentane, so we give the branch for it. CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. Here methyl group will be present, so it will be called isopentane. Or called it 2-methyl butane. Here see, in case of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 butane, and second number of carbon methyl will be added, so it will be also called 2-methyl butane. In case of third, isopentane CH3, CH, CH3. In case of third, 2 branches will be present, CH3, CH3. It will be called neopentane, NEO, neopentane, or you have to write for 2-methyl group will be present, so you have to write 2 dimethyl propane. Let's write with again clearly 2,2-dimethyl propane. So 3 isomers of pentane will be present: N-pentane, normal pentane, isopentane, or you called it 2-methyl butane, and neopentane, or you called it 2,2-dimethyl propane, because number will be same in left to right, or you called it right to left. Second number of carbon, 2-methyl group will be added, so 2,2-dimethyl propane. Let's go through another third number, isomers of hexane. In case of hexanes, the common formula is if C4H10 is butane, C5H12 will be pentane, so hexane will be C6H14 will be hexane. So we write the isomers for hexane. First we write simple normal hexane. In case of first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Valency of carbon or valences of carbon will be satisfied with the hydrogen. Here we write CH3, CH2, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and CH3. Name for it normal hexane. Let's go with second. Second we write with the branch. If methyl group will be present in the carbon number of 2, CH3. Here if suppose CH2, CH2, CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, CH3. So methyl group will be present in the number of second carbon, so we called it 2-methyl pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2-methyl pentane. Here we give the number from left to right. In case of third, if the methyl group will be present in third number of carbon, we write it CH3, CH2, CH3. In third number of carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In case of third number of carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We called it 3-methyl pentane. Let's go with another. If in case of 2-methyl group will be present, write it. First we write the group CH, fourth number, CH3, CH, CH, CH3, CH, CH, CH3 in. If the methyl group will be present in second and third number of carbon, it will be called 2,3 dimethyl butane. 2,3 dimethyl butane. In case of fifth, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3, CH3. If the 2-methyl group will be present, it will be called 2,2 dimethyl butane. Same like here, 2,2 dimethyl propane, 2,2 dimethyl butane. So what will we see in this session? What is structural isomers? Compounds which have same molecular formula but different their structure are called structural isomers. We give the examples for the butane, pentane and hexane. Isomers of butane will be N-butane and isobutane. Isomers of pentane will be N-pentane, normal pentane, isopentane or neopentane. In case of hexane, normal hexane, 2-methyl pentane, 3-methyl pentane, 2,3 dimethyl butane and 2,2 dimethyl butane. So the isomers of butane will be 2, isomers of pentane will be 3 and isomers of hexane will be 5. In case of isomers, we represent with butane, pentane and hexane. Let's go through with the in-text questions which will be given in the page number of 68 to 69. The first is write the electronic dot structure of cyclopentane. Actually the first and second we will be already studied. The isomers of pentane we will be study and the second is two properties of carbon to give the huge number of carbon compounds. Two properties we already study, catenation of carbon compounds and the second is tetravalency of carbon. So we don't write again but you have to learn by heart for two questions. Let's go with third. Cyclopentane electron dot structure of. So first we have to remember about the formula for cyclopentane. The formula for or the formula of cyclopentane, here E will be present. The formula of cyclopentane is C5H10. When we know the formula, we easily draw the electronic structure for it. 5 number of carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we write 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 hydrogens. One, 2. Number of carbons will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here the structure of cyclopentane, electronic dot structure of cyclopentane. We draw it something like round. Let's go another. Some names of carbon compound will be given. You have to compounds for it. Structures for the compound. Let's go it. Ethanoic acid means CH3COOH. Ethanoic acid. Bromopentane 5 carbon. CH3 CH2 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last we add Br, bromopentane, butanone, butane plus anone, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3, butanone, hexanal, hexane plus anal, hexanal, CH3, CH2, 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 CHO. Aldehyde group will be present here. Br, here ketone, and here aldehyde 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon will be present. In case of second, if the possible isomers of bromopentane, so we write the possible isomers for bromopentane. Let's start with the normal structure of bromopentane. First is CH3, CH2, 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 Br, bromopentane. Like here, same CH3, CH2, 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 Br. It means normal pentane. In case of second, we add Br, CH3, CH, CH2, CH3 in the number of second we add Br group. So we write it bromopentane. Here we write 1 bromopentane. You have to write normal pentane not, but 1 bromopentane in case of third, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, 1, 2, 3, Br will be added, so it will be known as 3-bromopentane. One, two, three, 4, 5. So it will be known as 1 bromopentane, 2 bromopentane and 3 bromopentane. Here pentane will be added, so we write CH2 another, CH3, CH, 3 bromopentane. In case of structure, we have to write the names of structure again. In case of CH3, CH2, Br, we know it now. It will be bromomethane, or you called it in case of second, it will be called, if double bond will be present, it will be called methanol, anol present. In case of triple bond, number of carbon will be 6, it will be called hex-1 ine, or you called it hexaene. So we have to complete with the in-text questions. First, second and third 2 questions we already completed. So you have to learn, you have to draw by heart.